I'm a big believer in you shouldn't do a job that you don't enjoy, so I may as well find something that I want to wake up and do every day and earn a living from it. So that's why I love doing this. My name's Aaron Price. I am an outdoor professional and I own Sea Kayak Adventures here in the Marlborough Sounds. So as the owner of Sea Kayak Adventures, there's lots and lots of different parts to it. I still do guiding, I still get out on the water and out on the track, which is where I want to be. But also organising my staff, organising the equipment, making sure everyone's safe, everyone's in the right place. And then of course, just running a business, trying to think about marketing and accounts and stuff like that, which is a different skill again. So when I left Otago Polytechnic, I knew I wanted to be in the outdoors. I was always going to be in the outdoors. But there's lots and lots of different avenues, and that's kind of the cool thing that I got to explore in the first few years, from tourism to teaching and things like that. I managed to travel different countries around the world and then came back to New Zealand kind of looking for the next challenge, and the next step was owning somewhere. Tourism in New Zealand's a massive industry, and so we're in part of that. We do 3 sports: kayaking, mountain biking and walking. People go out for half a day through to 5 or 6 or 7 days. But we also do a lot of school groups and a lot of teaching. Still to this day, the core of my kayaking, life, risk management and the teaching techniques that I now teach my guides and people like that are still techniques that my lecturers told me on day one. It's the core of what I do. I've managed to travel to heaps of really cool countries with my qualification. My first job was a 12-month season working in the UAE. What a crazy atmosphere, what a crazy clientele. Husky sledding in the Arctic for a winter season still to this day blows my mind. Owning this place, meeting 50 people a day from every walk of life and seeing 50 smiles a day, that's an experience that I hold pretty close. Yeah, the 9 to 5 is pretty awesome.